What's up, food lovers? I'm Chef John, and man, I am so excited about this new food series we're doing. It's all about fast food. And today, I'm gonna be making everybody's ultimate chicken sandwich. It's heavenly, you know it, we all love it, that Chick Fil A original. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? I'm Chef John, and I'm so excited to be here with you today doing this fast food series that we got for you guys. Man, it's absolutely gonna be amazing. This Chick Fil A sandwich, I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get my grill preset to 465 degrees. It's burning those all-American hardwood pellets. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some of my handy dandy nitrile gloves. And I've got some chicken breasts. Shout out to our local grocery store. Just went and pick these up. But nothing could be easier than duplicating this sandwich. All right, so I've got 3 chicken breasts here. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna take off the bad bits, the parts that nobody wants to eat. Now these breasts are a little thick, thick. That's right, so we're gonna slice them in half. We're gonna take our breast, and we're just gonna slice them right down the middle. Right? See how easy that was? Now, at this point, we're gonna go ahead and tenderize our chicken. We're gonna pound it out. Now, we're not trying to like beat it up too much, just light taps. We're really just trying to get the chicken all the same, making sure that it's all the same thickness. That way it's gonna fry more evenly. Next up, I went ahead and made a brine for my chicken. Now, you're just like, Chef John, talk about this brine. It was super simple. It was equal parts sugar and salt, right? I put some water in there and dissolved it in water, and then added the chicken and topped it off with about 2 or 3 cups of ice, and then just let it chill out in there. And it's perfect, right? Chicken has been brined. It's perfect, right? So we're gonna go ahead and pull this chicken out. Now I've had it in the brine for probably about 30, 45 minutes. I would say you can let it go for a few hours, but just a real simple brine. Okay, so next up, we're gonna be making the breading for our delicious chicken sandwich, and it couldn't be easier. So what I have in here is 4 cups of flour. I'm gonna be adding some of that often imitated, never duplicated Colden's freaking Greek. Then we're gonna hit it with some of that delicious Durty Gurl rub. Guys, this stuff is fantastic. And then last but certainly not least, probably one of my most popular seasonings, that Ben's Heffer dust. This stuff is good. Now we're just gonna mix this up, and then in our chicken goes. Now we're gonna make sure we get total coverage on this chicken, and we're gonna let the chicken rest. After we get it all mixed in with this flour, we're gonna let it rest in the flour, and that's really gonna help us get a nice crust on the outside. Now, we're gonna let it rest. We're gonna let it rest in the flour for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna go straight to the RT 700 in that cast iron skillet that I have warming up in there. Man, this front folding shelf is absolutely amazing. Talk about a griller's best friend. That's the sound of success right there. Man, these chicken breasts look fabulous. All right, so chef secret, right after you pull anything out of the fryer, you have like moments to re-season, to really get that seasoning to adhere. So we're gonna hit it with a little bit more Colden's right over the top, some of that Heffer dust. Ooh, and these chicken breasts are recteq. All right, now, guys, we all know Chick Fil A does a wonderful job, excellent job. Their sandwiches cannot be beat unless you're Popeyes, and then that's a whole discussion. We'll get to that later.
Ready, fight!
But why not make this at home, you know? It's so easy. You could cook it right here on your grill. So absolutely delicious. And in this time of like uncertainty and doubt, why have someone else handle your food, you know? Handle it yourself. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so let's finish this up. So we're gonna make some delicious sauce. So I have about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Shout out to you, Blue Plate. To that, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of Ben's Heffer dust, a dash of Durty Gurl, and a little bit of that Colden's freaking Greek. Now, pickle juice, gotta have the pickle juice. We're just gonna mix this up, making sure that it's all well incorporated. And now we're gonna build this sandwich. So I have some nice brioche buns. Chick Fil A, if you're watching, you may wanna think about that. You know what I'm saying? Get away from that little white bun that you use and step it up with some nice brioche buns. To that, we're gonna add our Chick Fil A sauce to the bottom and the top bun because I like my life saucy. Now, and I know all you guys have been to Chick Fil A, so we're gonna put 2 pickles, a little piece of garlic, we'll leave it on there, 3 pickles, because I go to the fancy Chick Fil A, they put 3 pickles on mine. We're gonna go ahead and throw this delicious chicken breast right over the top. Man, this sandwich looks absolutely delicious and so easy to make. Cheers. Woo, hot. It's so hot. Woo! Guys, this chicken sandwich is absolutely delicious. If you want this recipe, it's in the description below. If you're watching us on YouTube, hit that red rectangle. And if you're watching us on Facebook, please share and like this video. Make sure you're following recteq on all social media for more awesome content like this. Well, from everybody here, guys, we'll see you at the recteq.